Hi guys, from the Thoughtful Gardener. I wanted to share with you today a really quick tutorial on how to put together a very nice Christmas gift for a gardener or someone who loves flowers, or maybe for yourself this holiday season. The first thing to potentially look for is an ice bucket, maybe that would be on sale at a different time of year. So you can see this has really nice handles and it's got a really nice plastic insert. That way it's not going to rust this, and then your recipient can then reuse this as a way to not create clutter for ourselves, but maybe it would be something that would be desirable to have for another purpose. So I love things that have dual purposes. So we're going to use this today to create our little gift basket. So with that, we've got several different plants here that you could choose from that are really easy to take care of and are very easy to then transition into someone's home. They don't require a lot of light, they don't require a lot of care. They actually do great in case of this, Christmas cactus if you give it a little bit of neglect. So you can certainly just place these right into the basket. And I'm going to give you a couple different looks here. I've got some paper whites that I have forged. So I just took some jars that I had used previously. These were jars from my yogurt, and I just rinsed them out and put clean water in it. Once it's got to the desired height, you want to change out 10% of that water for 70% isopropyl alcohol. That's so that it doesn't get too tall and leggy. You can see this paper white is blooming. It smells wonderful. I will tell you, some people do not like the smell of paper white, so just keep that in mind. You either love it or hate it. It's kind of like cilantro. You either have the gene that converts the cilantro into something delicious, or it tastes like soap to you. So paper whites are the same. I love the scent of them, but some people can't stand it. So just want to put that out there. Another really easy one is amaryllis. So I'm going to show you two different formats here. This is a waxed amaryllis, and this is a standard amaryllis that I have put into a pot with some soil. I like cocoa mulch for planting things like this because it is going to give your plant enough moisture, but it's not going to overwhelm the roots. We certainly don't want this bulb to get too much water. And you can see I've given 0 water to the one here in this waxed edition. Certainly you could just give this to your person, whether it was a coworker or a family member. Or you could, just put it in a nice, pretty little tray for them. It is perfectly fine, though, to sit on a counter. It's not going to make a mess. And then, again, just put it straight in. Now, it's nice to have some things that are already blooming, as we have one paper white that's blooming and one that's getting ready to bloom, and then maybe have a second one that's just in the midst of blooming, so they have a little bit of enjoy it now and enjoy it a little bit later. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. This is a great way to bring the outdoors and the beauty of gardens indoors when it's maybe a little dreary, not so nice outside, and also to show them that you really do care about them and they'll have something to appreciate long after the season is over. Have a wonderful holiday. Garden thoughtfully.